Anna needs 6 liters of a 25% alcohol solution, but has only a 30% alcohol solution. How much 30% solution in water should she mix to make the desired 6 liters of 25% solution? And you thought math wasn't really needed. So here we go. Let's try that again. Anna needs 6 liters of 25% alcohol solution but has only 30% alcohol solution. How much 30% solution in water should she mix to make the desired 6 liters of 25% solution? I recommend you read word problems at least 2 to 3 times. So in this case, for interest, remember to use the rate format. In other words, it's decimal format. Okay, so let's start out with 6 liters. So we have 6 liters of 25%. So 25%. And remember, that's the needed amount according to the statement. It's 6 liters of 25% is the needed amount. And let's realize that 30% is what's available. So we have 30% of alcohol available. And of course, as much water is needed from the tap water. Okay? Well, probably not. It's probably de-iodized water. Be aware of that. Not tap water. De-iodized more than likely. Okay, so let's realize that we want to convert to decimal form for the percentages. So 25 divided by 100. Okay, there we go. 25 divided by 100 gives us 0.25. And likewise, 30% divided by 100. So 30 divided by 100. There we go. And now, which gives us 0.3. So 25 divided by 100, 0.25, and 30 divided by 100, 0.3 are the rates that we want, decimal forms. So alcohol content, let's talk about alcohol content to make it easier. We're going to make one equation with respect to that. And let's realize that 6 times 0.25 will give us the amount of alcohol in 6 liters of 25% alcohol solution, agreed? And let's also realize that for 30% solution, we multiply by a amount. We don't know what that amount is, right? That's what we're trying to find out. How much alcohol is needed for the 30%. So alcohol at 30% solution. Be aware of that. And we're also looking for water. But water typically does not contain alcohol if it's diiodized, right? Diiodized water. So let's try that again. In other words, let's solve for a in this case now to solve or find the amount at 30%. So divided by 30 in both cases. This is where your calculator could come in really handy. I'd recommend you turn on your calculators. So on, clear anything that you might have. And let's start with 6 times, we can put it in parentheses just like it is, 0.25, close your parentheses, divided by 0.3 or 0.30, your choice. And there we go. It gives us that we have 5 liters of 30% alcohol solution. So 5 liters of 30% alcohol solution, okay? There we go. And now, let's realize that 6 plus the amount of alcohol of 30% plus W gives us a total of 6 liters that we needed. So let's find out how much water by substituting the 5 liters that we found for the 30%. So 6 equals 5 plus W. So 6 equals 5 plus W. So let's solve for W, meaning let's get rid of the 5, subtracting, and you probably already did this from the beginning. And there we go, minus 5 on both sides. And 5 minus 5 cancels out, giving us 6 minus 5 equals W, or W equals 1. So there we go. We have 1 liter of water, diiodized water, added to the content, or in this case, to our solution of to get 25%. There we go. We completed this assignment. Hey, did you notice the fish swimming in the water? If you did, maybe you might want to go back and review this video to see how we did the rest of the stuff for calculations. If you didn't, all right, congratulations. You went through the video without paying attention to the fish. How about going back and now paying attention to the fish?